In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print chat in Microsoft Teams. If you need a simple way to create a printable version of a Teams conversation, this method is quick and easy to follow. Since Microsoft Teams chat doesn't always provide a direct, clean print option for conversations, the easiest workaround is to copy the chat, place it into a Google Sheet, and then print it from there. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is where all of your direct conversations and group chats are stored. Take a moment to find the specific chat you want to print. Make sure you open the correct conversation so you're working with the exact messages you need. Once you've located the chat, copy it. As you do this, it's a good idea to quickly check what you're selecting so you only capture the relevant part of the conversation. If the chat is long, you may want to make sure everything you need is included before moving on. The goal here is to transfer the conversation into a format that's easier to print and review. Next, go to your Google Sheet and paste the copied chat into it. This step gives you a more flexible workspace where the text can be organized for printing. After pasting, you may notice that the formatting is a little basic, and that's completely normal. The important thing is that the chat content is now in a document you can print from. If needed, you can briefly adjust the spacing so the conversation is easier to read on paper. After that, look to the top menu in Google Sheets and click File. This is where you'll find the document options related to saving, sharing, and printing. From the File menu, select Print. This will open the print settings where you can review how the chat will appear on the page before sending it to your printer. At this stage, it's helpful to check the page, layout, margins, and scaling so the conversation fits neatly and doesn't get cut off. If you want a cleaner printout, you can also preview multiple pages to confirm everything looks right. Once your settings look good, you'll be ready to print your Teams chat. That's all it takes to print a chat in Microsoft Teams using Google Sheets as a simple workaround. This is a useful option when you need a hard copy for records, review, or sharing offline. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.